Frothy Mocktail Surprise, the Espresso Edition. Hey, sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a drink that looks and tastes like a fancy cocktail, but it's completely alcohol-free, an espresso martini mocktail. It's bold, creamy, lightly sweet, and topped with that signature frothy layer that makes espresso martinis so irresistible, perfect for date night, parties, or a cozy treat at home. Let's shake one up together. If you love espresso martinis but want a non-alcoholic version that still feels classy and safe style, you are going to love this espresso martini mocktail. It's rich, smooth, and has that beautiful foam on top, just like the real thing. Here's what you'll need: 1 shot espresso or 1/4 cup very strong brewed coffee, cooled 2 tablespoons coffee syrup or 1-2 teaspoons simple syrup. To taste, 2 tablespoons heavy cream or half and half or oat cream for dairy-free, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract optional but delicious, 1/4 cup cold club soda, or alcohol-free coffee liqueur if available, ice optional, garnish, 3 coffee beans, cocoa powder or chocolate shavings. Directions: start by brewing your espresso. This is super important. Let it cool for a few minutes so it doesn't melt your ice instantly. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Pour in the cooled espresso, coffee syrup, cream, vanilla, and your club soda or alcohol-free coffee liquor. Shake hard for about 20-30 seconds. The harder you shake, the thicker and prettier the foam will be. Strain it into a chilled martini glass. You should see that gorgeous frothy top form right away. Finish with 3 coffee beans for the classic espresso martini look, or dust the foam with cocoa powder for a mocha vibe. And that's it. Smooth, bold, and totally alcohol-free. And that's how you make the perfect espresso martini mocktail. It's frothy, rich, and gives you that espresso martini experience without any alcohol, so you can enjoy it anytime. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you liked it and what twist you added. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious drink recipes. Cheers! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.